First reading, 1 Kings chapter 2 verse 1 to 4 and 10 to 12. And the days of David drew nigh that he should die, and he charged his son Solomon, saying, I am going the way of all flesh, take thou courage, and shew thyself a man. And keep the charge of the Lord thy God, to walk in his ways, and observe his ceremonies, and his precepts, and judgments, and testimonies, as it is written in the law of Moses. That thou mayest understand all thou dost, and whithersoever thou shalt turn thyself. That the Lord may confirm his words, which he hath spoken of me, saying, If thy children shall take heed to their ways, and shall walk before me in truth, with all their heart, and with all their soul, there shall not be taken away from thee a man on the throne of Israel. So David slept with his fathers, and was buried in the city of David. And the days that David reigned in Israel, were 40 years, in Hebron he reigned 7 years, in Jerusalem 33. And Solomon sat upon the throne of his father David, and his kingdom was strengthened exceedingly. Psalm, 1 Chronicles chapter 29 verse 10, 11ab, 11d to 12abcd. And he blessed the Lord before all the multitude, and he said, Blessed art thou, O Lord the God of Israel, our Father from eternity to eternity. Thine, O Lord, is magnificence, and power, and glory, and victory, and to thee is praise, for all that is in heaven, and in earth, is thine. Thine is the kingdom, O Lord, and thou art above all princes. Thine are riches, and thine is glory, thou hast dominion over all, in thy hand is power and might, in thy hand greatness, and the empire of all things. Gospel, Mark chapter 6 verse 7 to 13. And he called the 12, and began to send them two and two, and gave them power over unclean spirits. And he commanded them that they should take nothing for the way, but a staff only, no scrip, no bread, nor money in their purse, but to be shod with sandals, and that they should not put on 2 coats. And he said to them, Wheresoever you shall enter into an house, there abide till you depart from that place. And whosoever shall not receive you, nor hear you, going forth from thence, shake off the dust from your feet for a testimony to them. And going forth they preached that men should do penance. And they cast out many devils, and anointed with oil many that were sick, and healed them.